So, what are real interest rates? Before we get into that though, if you're getting, say, a bond, you're going to of course be paid an interest rate on that, and a real interest rate is adjusting that for inflation. So if you hold a bond that has, say, a 5% yield and inflation for that year is, say, 2%, your real interest rate is actually only 3% and not 5%. Now, right now, negative real interest rates are very common, especially among the US Treasury bonds. That holds true even when you're using the CPI measure of inflation, which is typically going to be lower than what inflation actually is. The 10-year Treasury currently yields 1.569%, and CPI is measured at 4.2%. So when you subtract 1.569 minus 4.2%, the real interest rate on the US 10-year Treasury is actually negative 2.681%. So US bonds are just a complete joke. So if you learned something, make sure to subscribe to the Teen Investor for in-depth stock analysis.